The United States has witnessed a disturbing rise in discrimination and violence against Muslims and Arabs in 2024, with a record-breaking 8,658 complaints filed, a 7.4% increase from the last year. The Council on American-Islamic Relations attributes this surge to Islamophobia fueled by Israel's war in Gaza and crackdowns on pro-Palestinian protests across American universities. Employment discrimination led to the list of complaints, followed by immigration issues, education discrimination, and hate crimes. Among the most shocking incidents, the brutal stabbing of a 6-year-old Palestinian-American boy, an attempted drowning of a 3-year-old girl, and violent attacks in Texas, New York, and Florida. Meanwhile, students-led pro-Palestinian protests have faced severe crackdowns leading to arrests and resignations of university officials. The arrest of Palestinian student activist Mahmoud Khalil at Columbia University has sparked outrage, with CAIR calling it a shocking escalation that threatens civil liberties. Rights advocates warn if this trend continues, civil liberties for Muslim, Arab, and pro-Palestinian voices in America could be at serious risk.